Transportable scooters can be separated into 5 pieces. To disassemble the scooter for transport or storage, follow these simple steps. Please note the heaviest piece of equipment weighs 35 pounds. First, remove the key and the basket. Next, make sure the charger is disconnected from the scooter. To remove the seat, lift straight up and turn slightly. Remove the battery pack by lifting with the handle straight upward. The battery is secured by heavy-duty Velcro. Next, lock the front wheel by pushing the tiller lock knob in and turning 90 degrees. Then, locate the large black knob at the base of the tiller. To loosen the arm, turn the knob counterclockwise, then fold the tiller arm into the base. Re-tighten the knob to lock the arm in place. With one hand, hold the seat post, and with the other hand, lift the frame release latch located behind the battery pack. Carefully lift the seat post, which will separate the scooter into 2 sections. Your scooter is now disassembled and ready for transport or storage. If you have any questions about disassembling your transportable scooter, call 1-888-441-7575.